Well, we got a little dilemma today. Actually, yesterday. Come cruising through here and something fell off the wagon and wiped this post out. Got the old witch holding the pole. But I'm going to try to dig all around it. It's concreted in, unfortunately, because I do that kind of thing. But, yeah, so I'm going to dig around it and see if I can pull it out. I could just yank it out with a ditch witch, but that's going to leave a big ass hole and a lot of loose dirt. I want to get it fixed. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but there's white mycelium growing in there. Mushroom. Tractor Supply post. You think if it was pressure treated, nothing would be growing inside of it. But hey, who am I to say? Well, we got a hole going on. Hopefully that's enough to pour a little bit of Crete in that smaller hole with the fence post in it. And cover it up and pack it all down. Well, I guess it's time to mix some Crete. Hopefully she stays here. I said tamper down a bunch of times. Yep. Hopefully we'll let that sit for a couple days. I'll tamp it down some more and we'll be good. We'll see. I'll let you know.